हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज का टॉपिक है डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम पार्ट 2। तो आज हम डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम पार्ट 2 के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, जिसमें सबसे पहला है स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन। जैसा कि हम पहले माउथ, टंग, स्टमक, इसोफेगस के बारे में पढ़ चुके हैं, तो अब टर्न है स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन। स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन विच आर बॉडीज मेजर डाइजेस्टिव ऑर्गन, साइट ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट एब्जॉर्प्शन टू द ब्लड, muscular tube extending from the pyloric sphincter to the ileocecal wall. Subdivisions of small intestine. Number 1 is duodenum, which are 25 cm, which are attached to the stomach, curve around the head of pancreas, fixed retroperitoneal structure. Next is duodenum, which are 2.5 meter, which are attached anterior to the duodenum. Next is ileum, which are 3.5 meter, in which extend from duodenum to large intestine. जैसा कि हम इस स्लाइड में देख रहे हैं कि ये हमारा स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन है और ये हमारा लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन है। ये इलियम पार्ट है, ये हमारा डोडिनम और ये हमारा जोजिनम पार्ट है। जो हमारा डोडिनम पार्ट है वो हमारे स्टमक से अटैच होता है, जैसा कि इस स्लाइड में दिखाया गया है। केमिकल डाइजेशन इन द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन in the source of enzymes that are mixed with chyme, which are intestinal cells, and next is pancreas. Bile enter from the gallbladder. Structure involved in absorption of nutrient. In this absorption, cells, blood capillaries, and lacteals, which are specialized lymphatic capillaries, absorb digestive fat. Large intestine. Larger in diameter but shorter than the small intestine. Frame the internal abdomen. जैसा कि स्लाइड में हम देख रहे हैं, ये हमारा लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन का डायग्राम है, जो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन से लेंथ में तो छोटा होता है, लेकिन इसका डायमीटर हमारे स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन से बड़ा होता है। Region of large intestine. Number 1, cecum, pocket of proximal end with appendix. Next is colon, which are ascending colon on right, transverse colon on horizontal portion, and descending colon the left side, and sigmoid colon as bend near terminal end. Next is the rectum. Terminal end is anal canal, ending at the anus, which has internal involuntary sphincter and external voluntary sphincter. Functions of large intestine, which are absorption of water, eliminates indigestible food from the body as feces, does not participate in digestion of food, and goblet cells produce mucus to act as a lubricant. Structure of the large intestine. In this cecum, which are sac-like first part of large intestine, next is appendix. In this, accumulation of lymphatic tissue that sometimes become inflamed and hangs from the cecum. Next is the colon, which are ascending, transverse, descending, at shape sigmoidal, rectum, and anus, which are external body. Food breakdown and absorption in large intestine. In this, no digestive enzyme are produced. Resident bacteria digest remaining nutrient, which produce some vitamin K and B and release gases. Water and vitamin K and B are absorbed, and remaining material are eliminated via feces. Next is the propulsion in the large intestine. In this, sluggish peristalsis mass movement, which are slow, powerful movement and occur 3 to 4 times per day. Presence of feces in the rectum cause a defecation reflex in this internal anal sphincter is relaxed, and defecation occur with relaxation of the voluntary anal sphincter.